Hey lovely people, it's another day of content creation. As you can see, I'm ready. I've already done my first video. Now let's go on to the second and third videos. I'm going to be setting up my background in order to give a green screen effect. But let's change this outfit to something walking because I can't walk with this shoe. I don't know if you can see my shoe. I can't walk with this shoe. I can't walk with them, so let's change. Okay, this outfit is definitely walkable. Now it's time to fit these clothes, so let's get on to it.
The idea behind this is to stick these bedroom wall stickers to the wall, fit my green materials into it, because I do not want to hit nail on the wall in order not to damage the wall and also not to be shouted on by my mother, because this is not my house, it's my mother's house. During content creation days, the things you have to account for is, what if this thing now I'm planning does not work out? What if my clothes here? What if this clothes does not look beautiful on camera? That's why you have to double check everything. Yeah, as I was saying, the worst now happened. This particular thing fell down.
I'm hoping my camera was on because I'm dead. I know I'm not dead, but if this doesn't work out, I don't know what to do. I don't know what because I'm not putting nail on my mother's house.
Content creation, especially transition, have always been fascinating to me. That's why I actually enjoy making it. I enjoy making my videos, but it's very disheartening when you spend hours making and editing videos and then you get like 1 view, 2 views, 20 views. No matter the amount of views, if people do not really see the value or the hard work you put into something, it's very disheartening. Sometimes I'll finish making some videos and I'll just be looking at my hard work that got 100 and something views, and I'll just be crying because I know that video editing it took me almost 1 day.
I'm done with the last video and here I am. I cannot stand up again. Like, I am so tired. Here is my crown. Hey, did it feel like? Okay,
help me and type on the comment section what you think about the video and how I did, or if you have any suggestion, criticism, I am ready to hear all of it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, follow, comment, share for more. See you next time. I love you. Bye bye.